Medicare open enrollment begins tomorrow, and there is a lot to consider.
So we're getting on it with Joe Zeitler here from Baye Insurance. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, let's talk a little bit about what plans are offered by your company, Baye Insurance.
Yeah, so we offer Medicare plans, and really when you're on Medicare, you have two different routes that you can go.
Okay.
You can have a Medicare supplement plan with a Part D plan, or you can have a Medicare Advantage plan that kind of combines it all together. And at Baye, we have all of those plans available for our consumers, no matter which one fits their needs.
Sure.
In what areas do you serve?
Yeah, so we're able to do enrollments all over the state of Wisconsin, but we are physically located in eastern Wisconsin between Green Bay and Sheboygan. We have 6 agents in between Green Bay and Sheboygan.
Well, let's talk about the significance of Medicare's open enrollment period and the important decisions people really have to make right now.
Yeah, so each year you have that opportunity to take a look at the plan that you're on. And just because it's a plan that's been working for you over the past few years doesn't necessarily mean it's still the right plan for you moving forward. For example, there are new plans for 2020 this next year. So unless you do some shopping around, you might be missing out on some opportunity for 2020.
Sure.
So then how does someone enroll into a plan?
Yeah, so there's multiple different ways that we can do it. We have physical locations that you can come to and we'll help you enroll face-to-face. We actually do go to individuals' homes across the state of Wisconsin. So if you're comfortable with the face-to-face interaction at your kitchen table, we're willing to do that. Otherwise, we can do enrollments right over the phone as well if you're comfortable with that.
So, you see a lot of ads right now, of course, on TV and on the radio and people talking about their 800 number or enrolling online. What is the difference between doing that and meeting with somebody like you or one of your agents?
Yeah, absolutely. So when you're doing your research and your homework, you're going to talk to a lot of people on the phone potentially. And yeah, you might be able to get in a plan that completely fits your needs, but when you're dealing with somebody local, whether it's myself or somebody else locally, you have that hand-holding and that local touch. And each and every year, we'll make that phone call and make sure that you're in the right plan for the next year. Where if you call 1-800 number or just go online, you might not have that.
Okay.
Talk to me about the Medicare meetings. They're every Tuesday and Saturday. Who should attend and what happens at them?
Yeah, so we're doing every Tuesday and Saturday from 10 to 11. We're meeting on the 3rd floor of the Brown County Library downtown, which is where one of our offices is located as well. And
you also have Sundays, Tuesdays
yes,
and Sundays.
Tuesdays, Sundays,
Yeah.
and then Saturdays periodically. We're going to add some here and there depending on demand, but it's just going to be generic Medicare information, and then we're going to go into some plan details for some of those new plans that I talked about before.
And some of them are called Coffee with So-and-so, or is there coffee there too?
Yeah, a cup of Joe with Joe. So
Nice.
yeah, I'll provide some coffee and possibly some donuts. So yeah, just like to have a little bit of fun.
Absolutely. And you can meet the people that you're going to be in touch with over this journey. So you can get in touch with Baye Insurance Company and Joe by calling 920-355-1515. There you see it. Call to schedule those appointments or RSVP for those events. You can also check their Facebook page for details on those upcoming meetings. Thank you so much, Joe.
Thank you very much.